Hello everyone. Now this video will teach you how to remove the password from one Hitachi car drive of 200 GB. And this drive is usually called the car drive because people can see it very often in the BMW cars. And also some other cars use this Hitachi laptop hard drive for the car recording system. Now we have connected this laptop password protected hard drive to the DFL SRP Hitachi firmware repair hardware. And we have power on the password protected drive within the firmware repair program. Now we can see that the drive is password protected here. So for this kind of password protected hard drive, the data error is not accessible. We can click cancel and see and check the data error. Now this is to scan the data error. If we run the logical scan on this kind of password protected hard drive, we can see that it's all sectors which are not accessible, the purple sectors. So how to remove the password and access to the data error? Now we need to power off the drive and then remove the PCB and connect the PCB only. Now I'm going to remove all the screws. When we are trying to remove the PCB, we must power off the hard drive because the PCB has the head contacts to the hard drive. If users don't power off the PCB, and this may cause some damage to the heads. That means the PCB will not offer stable power to the hard drive. This will cause the risk of damaging the heads or burning the heads. So this step, users need to remember to power off the drive and then remove the PCB. I'm now removing the PCB, and we can see that the status of the power is off. Okay, now I have removed all the screws and I'm now connecting the PCB only. Now I need to power on the PCB. So it's just the PCB only connected to the DFL SRP Hitachi firmware repair hardware. We need to wait until the PCB gets ready. Now we can see the PCB is ready. We need to enter the program and click this one, the ARM family, and select the PCB mode and select the family. This is a family. This one is included in the firm model number. And then we click OK. Click OK to enter the program. Now we can see the NVRAM read success. So to remove the password, we need to use one menu. It's called the boot remove password. And I have already the $firmware. So I just simply click OK. Power is off. Please remove connects PCB only and click OK. Yes, I have done this too. Click OK. Now we just need to wait because right now the program is automatically removing the password. We need to wait until the PCB gets ready again. Now we can see the status register here. It's busy. Now we can see it's ready. And here we need to select the $firmware pass. Here I have just got this $firmware. And then I need to select this one. This is the dollar firmware I have just backup. Then I select copy 0 and click OK. Now we can see that the program is just removing the password. After that, we can see that the PCB is ready. Please install the PCB back to the hard drive. Okay. Now don't click OK until the PCB is installed back. Now I need to install the screws. Okay, so now the screw I need to install back to the PCB. Okay, I finish. Now I just finished installing the PCB back to the password protected hard drive. Then I click OK. Now we can see in this log window, decryption success. That means the password has been removed successfully. Now we need to exit the program, power off, and power on the drive again. Now let's see what will happen. Let's check the data arrow and if we can access to the data arrow or not. We can see the capacity is correct now, it's 200 GB. Now let's try to scan the hard drive. Now we can see that. This means the data arrow is accessible now. And if we enter the program, we select the family, get details. Now the program doesn't report the password. That means the password has been removed successfully. We enter the program and we can see all the modules can be opened successfully and the data arrow LBA. LBA means data arrow. And we can also read success. That means both the data arrow and firmware arrow have been unlocked successfully. So if users wish to remove the password from this kind of Hitachi laptop hard drives, this kind of car drives, users need to get the DFL Hitachi firmware repair